Kijing matip nam tai Khubor Laitkam Hikai. Tidon ki kam Hikai ki balaj hapo Assam Rifle Public School kabade jonga CBSE but kini ki post ki deru jongki contractual basis. Tiki kwa ban apply sa lej phai ki application ki jong phi hapo school jonga Assam Rifle Public School kabade hapo Laitkam. Tiki post ki balaj ke long TGT Hindi 2 posts able to teach Hindi and Sanskrit qualification BA Hindi with B.Ed 2 years experience with 2 years experience. And number B TGT Science 2 posts PCM CBZ qualification BSc with B.Ed from recognized university with 2 years experience at secondary level. PGT Physics MSc with B.Ed from recognized university plus 2 years experience at senior secondary level. TGT Arts and Craft 1 post with no less than graduation from recognized university institution plus relevant experience of 2 years. Experience can David Arts name. PGT English with 1 post. MA English with B.Ed from recognized university plus 2 years of teaching experience at senior secondary level. PGT Physical Education, this is also 1 post. MA Physical Education from recognized university plus 2 years of teaching experience. 2 years of teaching experience is always needed. The appointment will be purely on contractual basis. Suitable lodging within campus may be provided as per availability. Candidate must be competent to teach English and skill in games and curricular activities. Candidate meeting the above requirement may apply along with the complete biodata and testimonial to the principal Assam Rifle Public School Laitkam, Shillong within 7 days from the date of advertisement. They can make advertisement made and do santarik. They can move back last date can day 12 of this month. So kibako applies and let no claim. Contact ARPS Sports Laitkam. They can contact filawan contact lama gini number phone. Mat filawan contact lama email. Mane filawan lech poka website jongka arps.shillong.com kemudian jongka Assam Rifle. Te rapi ko apply sa contact lamba kini kelada ail pa ne filawan lech application ke jongpi direct shop school. Tangine jong tip kemudian